Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And I have written notes on what I have discovered on the new DLR trains and the other train on the B23 stock trains. I do like the additions of the display screens which show live travel information. Auto spaces, they have priority seats, but I'm pretty sure there is a regular styled seating next to the priority seats from what I can remember. The addition of charging machines for devices useful. The next note is taller front row seats with foldable handlebars. Yes, there are two couch style seats on the new DLR trains. I should say new DLR train. No, I call it the B23 stock. Two couch style seats on the B23 stock train, which are taller and they have handlebars, which I like, and you can fold them up and down. I like that. There's more space for wheelchair users, which I like. Pretty cool. Wheelchair users deserve more space. The seats on the new B23 stock train, they're comfortable. I like them. I kept the classic well-known voice for DLR announcements on the new B23 stock train. They've also have updated announcements, which sounds like the well-known voice for the DLR announcements, but it could be a woman who's done announcements who sounds similar to the well-known voice for the DLR announcements. It sounds more mature from what I can remember. The new B23 stock train is always clean. The passengers see something new, they're going to treat it as something new. I do like the timers by the doors that they've added for the new B23 stock train, which informs how long the service is going to be at platforms. On the other DLR trains, you can get a full-on window view at front row seats, while the new B23 stock train, they have taller consoles, which gives passengers a half window view, unfortunately. And there's only two cab style seats on the new B23 stock train, as the other trains, they have 8 seats in their front row seating area. On the oldest rolling stock trains, they have a mixture of transverse and longitudinal seating, while other trains, including the new B23 stock train, they have more longitudinal seating, which is unfortunate. The handlebars in a similar circle shape that you can see on not the B23 stock trains, but the other rolling stock of the DLR trains. They are cool to use. You could just, for fun, go around them with just one hand or the other, as you can see me doing right now. When there's no other passengers around there, you can only find that similar circle shaped handlebars by every set of door on the other DLR trains of the new B23 stock train. There are more front row seats, more front row areas on other trains, but there's only 2 on the new B23 stock train, which is fortunate, which now, as I speak, make the new B23 stock train, so as a train's less exciting. Passengers, this is a plus, passengers can walk through the B23 stock train on board instead of changing to different cars on other trains. It's good. DLR guards on the new B23 stock are more likely, I think it's on the B23 stock train, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's more of a possibility. The DLR guards are more likely to to kindly ask passengers to leave the front row seating area also as they change seats, to use the console, which is taller than the other consoles on the other DLR trains. It is a disadvantage when there's passengers using the other front row seats. There's passengers more, which is likely, using the back row seats. you have left with the longitudinal seating, which is on minus at every note. I'd love to hear your thoughts on all the DLR rolling stock trains. Subscribe if you want to see new videos and turn on post notifications to be notified whenever I upload. And I hope you have happy travels.